Move ahead and start practicing other basics of VFD. In this practical, we will explore acceleration and deceleration. Here we will discuss maximum frequency acceleration and deceleration pattern. Now I will press mode and I will scroll down to parameter drv3 and drv4. I will enter drv3 and I find here 10 seconds. I will keep it same. And I enter into drv4, I find here 5 seconds. I will keep it same. Now I will press escape to come out. Now what does 10-second acceleration and 5-second deceleration means? It means that from 0 to 60 Hz, in case of acceleration it will take 10 seconds, and in case of deceleration it will take 5 seconds from 60 Hz back to 0 Hz. That means in case of acceleration to half of the maximum frequency, which is 30 Hz, it will take half of that time in case of acceleration, which is 5 seconds. Let's check it practically. Now I set here frequency 60 Hz, and next I will make it forward, and you can see at the bottom of the screen that the time is keeping a track, and slowly it reached to 60, and you can see at the bottom it took 10 seconds. I will make it stop, and again you can follow the time, and it's coming back to 0, and it took 5 seconds. Now let's try to make it to 30 Hz, and let's see how much time it took. I make it forward and it's moving, and it took 5 seconds to reach to 30 Hz, and back to 0 it took 2.5 seconds. Now I'm aware that at the bottom of the screen it's showing 2.4 seconds.